the trees that grow so fair, old England to adorn, greater run on beneath the sun than oak and ash and thorn. Oak and ash and thorn, good sirs, all on a midsummer's morn. Surely we sing of no little thing in oak and ash and thorn. Oak of the clay lived many a day, forever and this began. Ash of the Lord was lady at home when Brute was an outlaw man. Thorn of the Downs, so new Troy town, from which was London born. Witness hereby the ancient tribe of oak and ash and thorn. Oak and ash and thorn, good sirs, all on a midsummer's morn. Surely we sing of no little thing in oak and ash and thorn. Who that is old in churchyard mould, he breedeth a mighty bone. Alder for shoes do wise men choose, and beech for cups also. But when you have killed and your bullet is filled, and your shoes are clean out worn, back you must speed for all that you need to oak and ash and thorn. Elm, she hates mankind and waits till every gust be laid, to drop a limb on the head of him that anyway trusts her shade. But whether a lad be so poor sad, or mellow with ill from the home, he'll take no wrong when he lieth alone neath oak and ash and thorn. Do not tell the priest our plight, or he would call it a sin. But we've been out in the woods all night, a conjuring summer in, and Oak and ash and thorn, good sirs, all at a midsummer's morn. Surely we sing of no little thing in oak and ash and thorn. Oak and ash and thorn.